In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to create a YouTube automation video using a single AI tool which does everything for you. My name is Mary and let's jump straight into it. Now, when it comes to YouTube, one of my favorite types of videos is ancient history. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be creating a YouTube automation video about ancient Rome. Now, you could literally make videos about anything. Simply use the formula that I'm going to teach you in this tutorial. Let's get started. Head over to this website called FlexClip, which is an AI editing software. Click on Sign Up and create an account. Once you log in, this is what it looks like. Click on the Create a Video button right here. Select the type of video you want from the list. First, head over to this left-hand side menu and scroll down until you see this button right here called Tools. From here, we can quickly use all of their AI-powered tools. Select the AI video generator. You can either create a video from a prompt or a URL article. I'm going to use this prompt button. I'm going to ask it to create a script for a YouTube video about a day in the life of an ancient Roman merchant. An important step before you hit generate is to make sure that your orientation is correct for the type of video you're making. Also, you can change the subtitle text style to any other one from this list. I'm going to select this one right here. Now just hit generate, and this will take a couple of seconds. As you can see, we now have a script and the related scene attached. Some of the scenes are not the best, but don't worry, we will be changing this. Now just click on Add to Timeline and make sure this option is selected right here before clicking Apply. Okay, now that we have the basic structure of our video, it's time to make it even better. First, click on the audio option from the left-hand side menu. From here, you can change the music if you like and add sound effects. I'm happy with the background music the AI generated, but I want to change the narrator to a man's voice. Using the subtitles option, click on Speech. You can change anything about the narrator you want. You can make videos in multiple languages. Choose a voice for your video and make sure to set the voice style to something appropriate. You can adjust the speed and pitch settings if you want. Once you're happy, simply hit generate, and everything will automatically update for you. Okay, now we are going to add stunning AI images to our video to make it more engaging. Head over to the AI tools and click on AI Image Generator. Here, I'm going to type something like ancient Roman bustling city to replace our first scene. I find that the cinematic style works best for these kinds of videos, but feel free to choose any style you want from the given options. Lastly, don't forget to change the ratio of the image generated to 16:9. As you can see, we get a really good quality image to use in our video. I find that these images almost always do better than the free stock footage. Now all you need to do is replace the image in the first scene. Click on the plus button right here to add it to the timeline. For the next scene, I'm going to generate an image of an ancient Roman man wearing a tunic. Do the same thing again and add it to the timeline. Now, you need to go through each scene, come up with a suitable prompt, and generate an image with it. Just ask ChatGPT if you're struggling with the prompts. Keep doing this until you've generated images for the entire video. This should only take you a few minutes. Okay, so I've generated all the images, as you can see. Now, what I'm going to do is change the animation style between scenes. Click the button right here, and you can change the motion to any kind that you want. I like to use a mix of them throughout the video so that it doesn't get too boring. Alright, once you've done that, simply click this button right here to choose the resolution for your video. I like to select 60 frames per second and a high quality setting. Let's watch the video.
As dawn breaks over the bustling streets of ancient Rome, a merchant wakes in his modest home, ready to start another day of trade. He washes up and dresses in a tunic, eager to embrace the day's opportunities. The sounds of the city waking fill the air. Stepping outside, he marvels at the vibrant market square filled with vendors selling fruits, textiles, and pottery. He greets fellow merchants and barters for goods, showcasing the art of negotiation that defines his trade. In the midday sun, he sets up his stall, arranging the spices beautifully to attract buyers. As customers flock to his stall, he shares stories of far-off lands, weaving tales that captivate his audience. After finalizing a sale, he takes a moment to enjoy a light meal, savoring bread and cheese as he watches the hustle. In the afternoon, he receives a shipment of goods, carefully inspecting each piece for quality before selling. Later, he develops relationships with loyal customers, offering them special deals to maintain their business. As the sun sets, the market begins to quiet down, and our merchant counts his earnings from a fruitful day. He heads home with a satisfied heart, dreaming of the adventures of tomorrow.
To get the best out of FlexClip, I would recommend going for their most popular subscription plan, the Plus plan. This will give you 1080p downloads and many other benefits. You get all these amazing AI tools for only £7.78 per month. That's like the price of a Starbucks coffee. Give this video a like if you want to learn more ways of starting passive income streams. See you in the next video.